Feeling stuck, unmotivated, or overwhelmed? In just 14 days, you can completely transform your habits, mindset, and life, starting today. If you've been procrastinating, feeling lost, or failing to stick to your goals, this guide will give step-by-step strategies to change your life, build habits, and become your best self. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Waiting for the perfect moment is the biggest trap holding you back. You're telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow, next week, next month, or when I feel motivated. But the truth? That perfect time doesn't exist. Starting right now is actually the greatest act of self-love and respect you can give yourself. Think about it. Every big change you admire in someone else's life started with a single step. That first click on upload for a YouTube video, the first time someone steps into a gym without knowing how the machines work, or finally opening a textbook to start studying. Those first steps were terrifying, but they were also everything. And here's where it gets wild. Your brain is literally wired to resist discomfort. Comfort equals survival. Growth equals discomfort. That's why your mind whispers excuses, telling you to procrastinate or avoid hard things. But guess what? All right, real talk. Growth? It's never where you're comfy, sprawled on the couch, munching chips. Nope. It's smack dab in the middle of, ugh, why am I doing this? Territory. Want to know a not-so-well-kept secret? The toughest part of any new thing isn't mastering it or nailing the finish line. It's dragging yourself off your butt and actually starting. Like, remember wobbling on your first bike ride? You're all arms and knees in terror, convinced gravity is out to get you. Then suddenly, you're moving. A wobble turns into a groove and, whoa, look at you go! So, serious question, what teeny silly little step could you take right this second while you're here scrolling or watching this? Doesn't matter if you're wiped out, nervous, or your brain's yelling nope. Try something tiny today. That's the moment you swap maybe someday for, yep, I'm doing it. And honestly, that's where the magic kicks in. Remember, the hardest part is starting. Get that out of the way, and the journey becomes easier. And trust me, once you start, momentum builds faster than you ever imagined. All right, here's where people usually mess up. Most folks just skip this part and then wonder why nothing's changing. Honestly, before you even think about flipping your life upside down, you have to figure out where you're standing right now and what the heck you're aiming for. So, grab literally anything you can write on. A journal, a phone, the back of a receipt. Don't overthink it. First, imagine your best self. Yeah, the one who's got their life together. What's she doing? What kind of stuff does she care about? Does she bounce out of bed or hit snooze 3 times? Is she crushing it at work, being a halfway decent friend, and actually drinking water? Get weirdly specific. Now, don't sugarcoat it. What habits are tripping you up? Procrastinating? Scrolling TikTok till your eyeballs hurt? Skipping the gym? Again? Staying up late for no reason? Just list them out. You're not grading yourself, you're just collecting info. Here's a little hack. Jot down 5 things you do on autopilot, like making your bed, saying hey to people, whatever. Then, think of 5 things you had to put in some effort to make a habit. Getting up early, drinking water, maybe not losing your keys every day. See what's up? You've got receipts. You can build habits. You already have. So if you've done it before, why not do it again? Write down where you're starting, where you want to end up, and those 2 lists of habits. Boom. That's your game plan. That's your, how the heck do I get from here to there map. And here's where things get next level. Your transformation isn't just about goals, it's about identity. Write down who you want to be in the first person. Don't say, I need to get organized, or I should exercise. Say, I am organized, confident, and consistent, and I take care of my health and relationships. Notice the difference? Saying I am convinces your brain, this is already who you are. Next, align your habits with that identity. Want to be organized? Schedule your day, plan tasks, and tidy your space. Want to be healthy? Prioritize movement, hydration, and nutritious meals. Want to be grateful and positive? Start a daily gratitude practice and encourage others. Here's the catch. Your brain resists "I need to" statements because it senses a lack. But when you say "I am," your subconscious aligns with that version of yourself. Your thoughts, choices, and actions start matching your identity naturally. Write your new identity statement in the first person and pair it with 3 habits that reinforce it. This is your daily guide, your mission statement to become your best self. Every small action now is a vote for the person you want to be, and here's where it gets exciting. What if I told you that 14 days could completely kickstart your transformation? That's right, just 2 weeks of intentional action can change your habits, mindset, and confidence. The key is structure. Randomly trying to do better rarely works. All right, here's the deal. A day-by-day plan actually makes this stuff doable. Like, say it's day 4. You're not just floating around. You'd be setting goals, figuring out what you actually want, and then chopping that big dream into smaller, less scary steps. Oh, and set up some way to keep tabs on yourself, so you don't just forget about it next week. Every day just stacks on top of the last. 2 weeks in, you're rolling. Why 14 days, though? Honestly, because a month feels like forever, and a week's over before you even get your shoes on. 2 weeks is the sweet spot. You can stick with it, but you're not signing up for a life sentence. It keeps you focused, and you're less likely to slide back into old habits because you actually see the finish line. Here's a pro tip. Get yourself a journal. Doesn't have to be fancy, just something to scribble down what you did, how you felt, if you had a meltdown, whatever. When you look back and see actual proof you're moving forward, it's kind of motivating. Plus, it kicks your brain into, "Hey, I'm actually doing this" mode. Also, don't try to do this alone. Seriously, solo missions are overrated. Find a group, could be a Facebook group, your weird cousin, or whoever's game. Share your wins, vent when it sucks, and hype each other up. Motivation multiplies when you're not yelling into the void by yourself. And look, you totally deserve to crush this. You're not some hopeless case. If you can stick it out for 14 days, you'll have enough momentum to keep rolling after that. No kidding. So here's a tiny dare. Pick your 14 days. Choose 3 habits. Write them down somewhere you'll actually see them. Track them every day. Yep, every single day. Then see what's up after 2 weeks. Bet you'll surprise yourself. Here's where most people get stuck. Knowing your best self is one thing, but actually getting there is another. The trick is to bridge the gap with specific habits and actionable steps. Start by listing all the habits you need to implement to move closer to your ideal self. Examples. Set a consistent sleep and wake schedule. Work out 5 to 6 times a week. Daily journaling and gratitude practice. Drinking enough water, healthy diet, budgeting, and planning. But here's the secret sauce. Don't try to do everything at once. Prioritize the top 3 habits for your first 14 days. Focusing on a few key changes prevents overwhelm and actually increases your chance of sticking to them. As you master these, gradually add more. Momentum compounds. For example, Lena started with just hydration, daily gratitude journaling, and workouts. After she consistently completed those for 2 weeks, she added academics, career planning, and financial tracking. Over time, small wins are stacked into a major transformation. Jot down your top 3 habits for the next 2 weeks. Nothing wild, just stuff that'll push you closer to your best version. Keep tabs on them every day. Seriously, give yourself a high five for each win, even if it's tiny. Every time you actually do the thing, that's a point for future you. Here's the bit everyone skips. Success isn't just about nailing goals. It's about turning into the sort of person who nails goals. See the difference? James Clear, yeah, the Atomic Habits guy, gets it. He says your habits should match the person you want to be, not just the stuff you want to accomplish. Goals? They fade. Motivation? Comes and goes, like that friend who always cancels plans. But identity? That sticks. So, ask yourself, do you want to just get fit? Or do you want to become someone who's actually active? Big difference. If you start saying, "I'm an active person," Suddenly, you're not just ticking off a workout. You're living it day in, day out. It's not forced. It just happens because it's who you are. That's the real trick. Your actions start to echo what you believe about yourself. Want to be organized, disciplined, confident, and healthy? Just start acting that way, even if it feels fake at first. Keep at it, and your habits and mindset, and honestly, your whole life, will start syncing up. Motivation's flaky, but identity? That's your real anchor. Here's something that shocked me at first. The energy of the people around you literally shapes who you become. Toxic friends drain energy, distract you, and reinforce bad habits. Gossip, insecurity, jealousy, it all rubs off. Lena realized this when she decided to stop people-pleasing and distance herself from friends who weren't elevating her. Instead, she surrounded herself with supportive, ambitious people, her YouTube community, and the 14-day challenge group. They hyped her up, encouraged progress, and shared advice. Their energy became contagious. Ask yourself, are the people around you lifting you higher or holding you back? Positive peers model good habits, provide accountability, and make growth feel normal and achievable. Isolation can make self-improvement lonely, but the right circle makes it exciting. Identify 1 to 2 people who uplift you and spend more time around them. Distance from negative influences. Your environment is a multiplier for your growth. Here's the truth most people ignore. Success doesn't care how you feel. Tired, emotional, unmotivated? Doesn't matter. Progress still happens when you stick to the plan. Every day, remind yourself of your mission statement, your best self-identity. That statement is your guide, your North Star, even on the days your mood wants to derail you. Think of it like building a brick wall, one brick at a time. Some days the bricks feel heavy, some days the wind blows, but brick by brick, day by day, you build your transformation. Pick your top 3 habits and follow them every day for 14 days. No excuses based on mood. Your emotions are temporary, but your consistency defines you. Smooth transition tip. Focus on identity and plan over temporary feelings. Your best self doesn't appear when you feel motivated. It appears when you act, even when you don't feel like it. And here's a trick that can save your transformation from stalling. The dopamine menu. When you commit to new habits, it's easy to feel deprived or burnt out. That's when your brain reaches for old patterns, doom scrolling, procrastinating, or snacking unnecessarily. A dopamine menu is a list of small, enjoyable activities that give your brain a natural boost, so you stay motivated without sabotaging progress. Examples? Take a walk, journal your thoughts, enjoy a bubble bath, listen to a podcast, go for a sunset run, clean your space, or visit a new cafe. These little wins give you a mental reset and satisfy your brain's reward system naturally. Keep this list accessible. Your phone notes app or journal works perfectly. When you feel an urge to slip into old habits, choose an activity from the menu instead. It keeps you engaged and happy and prevents burnout. Mini challenge. Create your own dopamine menu with 5 to 10 things you genuinely enjoy. Use it whenever motivation dips or distraction creeps in. It's a simple way to stay consistent and make transformation fun. Here's where most people miss out. Transformation isn't static. Every day, take a few minutes to evaluate your progress. Ask yourself, did I complete my top habits today? What felt easy and what felt hard? Small adjustments are fine. Maybe tweak timing, intensity, or focus. But don't lose momentum over perfection. Celebrate wins, even tiny ones. Logging your accomplishments reinforces progress and keeps motivation high. Journaling is key here, plus sharing reflections with a supportive community adds accountability. Mini challenge. Every night, write 3 wins, 1 adjustment, and a note of gratitude. Over 2 weeks, you'll notice patterns, improvements, and confidence in your ability to change. All right, real talk. Change isn't some overnight magic trick, but it's 100% doable if you just stick with it. I mean, come on, a 14-day streak? That's barely the intro, not the full story. It's like learning to ride a bike. You wobble, you fall, you swear under your breath, but eventually you coast. That's what these 2 weeks are. Just laying down the groundwork so you can actually build habits that stick. And hey, look at you. You've pulled off tough stuff before, so don't even try to tell me you can't pull it off again. Seriously, think about it. If you've ever quit a bad habit or started something new, you've already got the proof that you can change. All the discipline and grit you need is in there somewhere, probably just buried under a pile of Netflix recommendations. Here's the only quote you really need. You don't need to be perfect, just willing to try. Forget chasing perfection. That's a losing game. Progress is where it's at. Even if you only move an inch today, you're still closer than you were yesterday. So what now? Simple. Start. Like, right now. Pick your top 3 habits, lock in your 14-day challenge, and just go for it. Each day is a brick, and you're basically building whatever kind of life you want, one lopsided, slightly wonky brick at a time. Mini challenge for you. Say your I am statement out loud every day. Yeah, talk to yourself, it's fine. Tick off your habits and celebrate even the dumb little wins, like not hitting snooze for once. Every choice, even the tiny ones, adds up. If you can be patient and not bail when it gets boring, you'll see the change start to stick. So, let's go. Transformation kicks off today. Commit to those 14 days, ride the ups and downs, and hype yourself up for every win, no matter how small. Surround yourself with good vibes. And oh, if you're feeling it, hit that like, share, or subscribe button, because who doesn't need a little extra motivation now and then?